Hello students, today we all of learn about the chapter classification of animal kingdoms. The next topic of the animal kingdom is classification of animals in the various phylums. In the previous session, we all of knew what are the basis of classification. Today, we all of know how many phylums are different groups of animals. Classification of animal kingdom. Kingdom based on the distinctive features, the animals are classified into various groups. These groups are as phylums, the groups known as phylum. Phylum number one, Porifera. Porifera. Second phylum, Coelenterata. Coelenterata, in other words known as Cnidaria. Cnidaria. Ctenophora. Ctenophora. Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. Escahelminthes. Are Nematoda, in other words known as Nematoda. The next phylum, six, Annelida. Mollusca. Arthropoda. Hemichordata. Hemichordata. Chordata. These are the various animals groups. Nearly 10. The first is Porifera, second is Coelenterata, third is Cnidaria, the third is Ctenophora, Escahelminthes, Platyhelminthes, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Hemichordata and Chordata. Today we learn about the first phylum Porifera. Porifera. What are the special features of Porifera? How can we identify it is poriferous or not? कि पोरीफेरा ग्रुप का एनिमल्स है या दूसरे ग्रुप का एनिमल्स है. तो फर्स्ट फीचर्स द पोरीफेरा. वर्ड पोरीफेरा. पोरी मीन्स पोर्स, फेरा मीन्स बियर. द पोरीफेरा वर्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 words. पोरीफेरा, पोरी एंड फेरा. पोरी मीन्स पोर, छिद्र, and fera means to bear. So those animals which bears pores is known as poriferans. Means the first feature is these animals bears pores. Bear pores on the body. Body organization is cellular level. Body organization is cellular level. Cellular levels means इस ग्रुप के जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनकी बॉडी सेलुलर लेवल की होती है, ओनली सेल्स की बनी होती है, कोई स्पेसिफिक टिश्यू नहीं होता है. थर्ड पॉइंट, कैनाल सिस्टम इज प्रेजेंट. Canal system is present. Canal system is present. Canal system मतलब it is a network of tubes. It is a network of tubes by which water enters and exists in the body of animals. Body of animals. These are the canal system. Osculum, ostia, ऑस्टिया के थ्रू वाटर एंटर करता है और ऑस्कुलम के थ्रू बाहर निकलता है. What is the canal system? The canal system is the network of tubules by which the water enters in the body of poriferous animals and exits to the osculum. Next point, fertilization is external. Fertilization is external. Fertilization is external. डेवलपमेंट इज इनडायरेक्ट मीन्स कि इस ग्रुप के एनिमल्स में जो एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट होता है वो इनडायरेक्ट होता है. व्हाट इज द इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट्स? मीन्स लार्वल स्टेज इज फाउंड इन द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ पोरीफेरस. द न्यू एंगल्स विच आर birth not similar to their parents, but the different body structures. After some times, it mature or change into the or takes their parent-like bodies. This is known as indirect developments. Skeleton is made up of specific protein, spongin. Skeleton is made up of specific protein, spongin. Spicules are present. Spicules are present. They are used as the various ornamental values because their dry skeleton is the very attractive when the color is the fill in them. Some sponges are harmful for human beings. They are toxic and causes allergy. So these are the various features of phylum Porifera. Examples: sponges, all sponges, Leucocelonia, Cycon, Euplectella. And the special features of these, one is these are aquatic. The poriferan animals are aquatic, totally aquatic and marine. मीन्स कि इस फाइलम की जो एनिमल्स हैं वो मैराइन मतलब समुद्र, द शैलो रीजन ऑफ सी, दे आर इनहेबिटेड. सम्स आर कॉलोनियल एंड सम्स आर इंडिविजुअल्स. कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो कॉलोनियल्स होते हैं, कॉलोनी बनाकर रहते हैं, और कुछ सिंगल रहते हैं. These are the also specific features of poriferans.